Hi, my name is John Armstrong. I'm a seven-figure digital marketer. As someone who has made over $6 million in the industry since 2018, I thought I knew all the profitable methods out there. But no, I was proven wrong by these three ladies who came to me with such an unusual method that it's been making them consistent 3 and even 4-figure commissions every day. Here they are now.
Hi, I'm Nanda Brom.
Hi, I'm Kapao Paniba.
I'm Paula Marie. It's true, we have figured out a weird and wonderful method that has allowed us to rise at the top of the morning and are greeted with $294, $647, and even $1,435 a day.
I was so impressed with the results that I had to see what the crack was myself. And as it turns out, it's actually super simple.
Here's where some of the magic happens on the Express Maeve page generator that we have built for you inside of Maeve. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pop the name of your page here. We've already selected the campaign that we're going to do in this one, which is tweets, which is one of 6 in the front end. Now we're going to go over to the marketplace that we get our affiliate link from, and this is where we're going to be able to get between 50 and 100% commissions on selling these products. So we simply copy and paste that, then pop it into the Maeve page generator just like so. Now what we want to do is we want to grab our pixels. Now we pop this field in here to make it super easy for you to then jump over to your Google Ads platform. We show you exactly how to do this. Grab your conversion links from there, and then we're going to put it into the page generator. Now the page generator software is exclusive to Maeve. It has all these 4 steps in there. So now we're just going to grab this last pixel and we're good to go. Now we're going to create the page by simply copying and pasting the link into our browser, and there you have it. A beautifully designed page. And ta-da! Now you've created this gorgeous professional looking review bonus page, complete with a video and clickable buttons with all the information that your lead needs to then make a decision to purchase from you, all within seconds instead of hours of trying to create these pages. So now they're in the funnel, right? So when they click on this button here where your Warrior Plus link is, then they're going to be able to purchase through you, right? So they'll go to the sales page here, they'll then browse through the sales page and then click to access here, and then hey presto, sales start rolling in. Now let's have a look and see what other case studies we have inside of Maeve that you're going to be able to see some results and also copy those results to get these same results in your account, just like the girls and I do.
All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. If you can go on Tinder and swipe left to right, then you can do this too.
All the hops, meaning the people who have interacted with the offers I'm promoting, $100, right? Because I got $1,100, that means my ROI is 10 times my investment. So this is the power of Google Discovery Ads. I hope you can see that right now.
I know that you want the fast results without the frustrations, without the trial and error, and without the headaches. So we've joined forces to make it even better and easier for you. We've packaged it into a plug and play turnkey business in a box system for you so that you can get set up and running today. Introducing Maeve. And to sweeten the honeypot even more, we'll throw in 4 fast action bonuses for you. Bonus number 1, how to earn an additional $100 every day by posting unlimited free ads. Bonus number 2, how to get a free $100 coupon for your campaigns. Bonus number 3, more secrets on how to get multiple passive income streams fast. Number 4, how to make money rain according to ordinary real people who do this. All completely free when you join Maeve today. And with her 30-day money-back guarantee, there is no risk to you.
You better hurry. Time is of the essence, and Maeve waits for no one. Her price is rising every 60 seconds. If you come back later to this page, sadly, you will pay more.
So, click the button down below, get instant access to Maeve, and let happiness and good fortune reign upon you while you build the life of freedom that you have always craved for.